Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another yummy and delicious episode of Sana's Pretty Little World. You know why I said yummy? Because today we are making a very yummy dish which is pancake. I just woke up today and I thought I wanted to eat something healthy, easy and super delicious. So I thought of making pancakes which is healthy because we are making it out of whole wheat flour. So I always try making the healthier version, so come on, let's check it out. Our pancakes is ready, and the reason I'm so excited for this tasting is because I'm doing this for the first time and it's my favorite. Okay, so there are for the toppings, there's a lot of options. You can go for ice cream, fruits, chocolate syrup, maple syrup, butter, and a lot of things, Nutella or anything which you like. So I went for 3 toppings, which is chocolate sauce, maple syrup and butter. So guys, I guess you can see the pancake now. It's fully decorated with chocolate syrup, and now comes the last step, keeping the butter. But before that, let me show you the full view. So guys, now I'm eagerly waiting to taste my yummy pancakes. But before that, let's do our last step, keeping butter. Just in the middle. There! So our perfect whole wheat healthy pancakes are ready. So guys, here comes the important part, tasting our pancake. But before that, let me show you the full. So guys, now comes the moment of truth. Wow! It's so yummy! So So that's it for today, friends. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and then surely try this recipe because it's healthy and tasty and it's a different one too. So bye friends, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Assalamu alaikum.